Welcome to Lightroom CC Professional Color Correction for Photographers course. Here you will learn how to achieve great color in your images or recreate the look of any photo you're inspired of. My name is Ustin Kompanidze and I'll be leading you through the course. As usual, our learning process will be interesting and fun. I'll do my best to take your photography skills to the next level in the easiest way you can imagine. I started photography more than 8 years ago and teach hundreds of students worldwide for the last 5 years. In 2012, I created photoguru.com, which became one of the top photography educational websites in Eastern Europe. I designed this course for everybody who wants to understand color correction or improve it. By the end of the course, you'll be able to achieve cinematic style color grading in your images and color correct in Lightroom with ease. I'll be teaching different methods to get natural colors, convert your images to black and white, and also color toning. Not only will be talking about overall color, I'll also show you different methods of local adjustments using Lightroom tools such as local brush, gradient and radial filters, walking you through the process step by step. So, if you're interested in learning Lightroom and color correction, this course will be a great starting point for you. All you need is a computer with installed Lightroom and a good mood. Feel free to take a look through the course description and I'm looking forward to see you inside the course. Let's rock!